moi. Today is Saturday morning, and I feel like as an adult, you're always cleaning. You're somehow always cleaning. No matter how clean your space is, you're still gonna be cleaning. So I try to get some cleaning, or the first bit of cleaning of the day, out right in the morning. But since it's a weekend, it's a beautiful, beautiful Saturday, not a cloud in the sky. I kind of just want to put on makeup to feel good. Like, I might go on a walk later, chill on my balcony, maybe take some cute photos in golden hour. I thought I'd just fill my weekend with you guys. I'm just doing my skincare right now, but of course just going in with toner first because my skin was so dry. But this is the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA toner by Glow Recipe. The product that I wanted to share with you guys today is from arguably my favorite skincare brand ever, Biossance. I have talked about Biossance for going on 4 years now, and my prayers have finally been answered. I have been dying for them to come out with a product for hyperpigmentation specifically, and for dark spots. They've had other products that kind of like help sort of with that, like the rose oil, you know, that helps with brightening and all that kind of stuff, but they've never come out with like a dark spot serum. This is the new Squalene plus Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. It just came out at the end of December, and it is now available in Sephora, and I'm really excited about this. I've been lucky enough to test it out before it actually launched, so I've been using this all throughout when I was in Toronto, so probably for the past month now. And I really like it, so I'm excited to share this with you guys. And this is like my morning serum. I love their Squalene plus lactic acid night surface, whatever it's called, the serum. I use that at night, but this has been like my daytime serum because it has like 10% vitamin C, and it just helps to protect your skin from like dark spots, but then also like prevent dark spots, which I like that they actually put that in the messaging, because prevention is key when it comes to skincare. Like, not only will it help fade the current dark spots that you have, but it'll also help prevent any future discoloration from appearing, which is so important. Has a 10% vitamin C, and it also has a white shiitake mushroom blend, which actually helps like target the dark spots. So this specifically targets the dark spots, hyperpigmentation, all that good stuff. So we love her. She's the new addition to the skincare family, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will enjoy this as well. A little teaser, this isn't out yet, but I may or may not be coming out with a little bundle with Biossance, and I'm 100% going to be including this in the bundle, so check that out. It's going to be an amazing deal. I don't know the details yet, but it's really exciting. It's just a little mini collaboration with Biossance, and I love that they just continuously support your girl. So check out the new dark spot serum. I like to just pat it into the skin like so until it's completely absorbed, and of course, like all of their products, they have plant-based squalene in this as well, so it does help with moisture and, you know, making sure your skin is actually hydrated while getting all the benefits of the dark spot serum as well. So I will leave a Sephora link down below for you guys to check this out. And PS, you can use this day and night. I prefer to use it in the daytime just because I like using their lactic acid at night, so that's kind of my thing. I wouldn't suggest you use them together. So if you are a fan of the lactic acid, use that one at night and then use this one in the morning. The lactic acid will help smooth your skin. This will help fade dark spots. Your skin will be nice and even, both in like texture and tone. So we love that. Going in with the Peptide Eye Gel as well, which is another one of my faves from Biossance. I like how cooling this is in the morning. Gotta apply SPF, super important always, especially when using products with vitamin C in them, because girl, don't play yourself by using products that will help with discoloration and brightening dark spots and then don't put on SPF. This is an SPF 40 by Supergoop. I am not gonna do like too much makeup today, honestly. I've been really enjoying just how my skin has been looking and just the natural glow. So I'm just gonna play it up basically. Oh, here it is. This e.l.f. brow gel, y'all. You know my love for brow gels. I've been like exclusively only using brow gels for the past 3 years now. But this is the, I don't even know what this is called. Oh, Wow Brow by e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's like $3 or $4. I picked mine up at Walmart and it is so good. Like, this is the only brow product that I've been using or brow gel. And before I was really into like the Glossier Boy Brow, which is like $16. And while I still love that, this has 100% taken over for me. So if you guys are looking for a good inexpensive brow gel, please do yourself a favor and pick up this e.l.f. one. Like, seriously, so impressed. I use the shade Neutral Brown, but then I also use the shade Dark Brown. So I kind of mix them both, and I feel like because they're so inexpensive, like, you can afford to do that, you know? I definitely need to trim my brows. They're getting a little bit unruly, but that's okay. We'll go for the fluffy natural brow look today. So I'm gonna come back after I have done my makeup, and I will share kind of like what I used with you guys in the end. Otherwise, this video is gonna be way too long. Makeup is all complete. I just did a very simple look. As you can see, I also added some freckles, and yeah, I didn't really film all of it because, well, it's the same look that I always do. So there's that, but now I'm just gonna clean this up. I have to eat breakfast. It's like already 1 p.m. so I'm pretty late on eating breakfast, but I really wanted to head to the store, like the Asian grocery store near me, to pick up some matcha because I want to make matcha tea, like lattes and stuff. And for whatever reason, it's not at the like standard, like Ralph's or whatever. So let me just tidy this up first, because anytime that I do my makeup, this is basically what happens. I'm having not the healthiest breakfast, but why won't you stay up? My mom actually packed this in my little carry-on before I left because she made a gohokat in Toronto, so I forgot to eat this. So I'm just gonna slather this in honey and call it a morning. It's not super healthy, but I don't want to waste this because my mom poured her love into it, so I will gladly eat it. Just having a very chill weekend. If you guys want a recipe for this, my mom and I recorded it while she was here a couple months back, so I will link that below. Check it out. Switched into this outfit from Fabletics for my walk. I'm gonna go on my quest for matcha, and it's really comfortable, very cozy. I think it's pretty warm outside, so should be quite nice. I'll see you guys when I get back. I'm hoping I wore the green matcha mask so I could have good luck and find good matcha. So hopefully this works. To cut my walk short, you can see the mask marks, but it was so hot. It was way hotter than I thought it was gonna be. It's like 24 degrees outside right now, but it felt like 30 degrees when I'm wearing this. I bought this matcha green tea, unsweetened powder. I didn't realize a lot of the green tea there actually has sugar in it, but this one is just straight up matcha green tea. So hopefully this is a good brand, but I'm gonna try it out now. I'm gonna make my little iced matcha. So I'm gonna do a teaspoon. A good heaping teaspoon, because I really love matcha. And then I'm gonna do just a little bit of some hot water. I was looking for one of those matcha frothers at the store, but they didn't have one, so I'm just gonna have to use this, but I might order one on Amazon. I think that's good enough. So I'm gonna pour it over the ice. Coconut almond milk in there. And then since it's unsweet, I'm gonna top it off with this oat vanilla creamer. And this has a little bit of some sweetness in it. It's like the perfect shade of green. Let's taste it. Ooh, that is good. I'm so happy. You know what time it is. basically was just riding around on that little scooter for like a good 35 to 45 minutes or something. And right now I am starving. It's like 6:37. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make something really quick and easy. I have some leftover, just some ground turkey, and then I have some leftover roasted vegetables from Tender Greens. So I think I'm just gonna literally like just throw a bunch of seasoning in this and call it a night. Salt, lemon pepper, garlic powder, maybe some This is so good. This is like, it used to be one of my go-to meals when I was losing weight a couple years ago. Just any sort of ground, either chicken or turkey, and veggies, like roasted veggies or sauteed veggies, steamed veggies, whatever it is. It's literally the easiest meal. It's like hilarious, but it tastes really good. Takes like 5 minutes to make, and it's super low calorie, high protein, low fat, and if you season it well, it doesn't even taste healthy. It's so good. I have this drink from like before I left to Toronto, and it's definitely not supposed to be this color, but I think it's still good. I'm gonna taste it. That's like a pressed juicery apple, pineapple, lemon, mint. Still tastes good. So I'll talk to y'all later. today. Yum! It's a beautiful Sunday morning, guys. I think I'm gonna sit on the balcony and just enjoy this matcha today and maybe end off this video with you guys, because yeah, the balcony is definitely calling my name. Oh, today is Sunday morning, and it is truly a Sunday morning. It is so sunny and so beautiful. I'm just gonna sip on my matcha, enjoy my morning, and I think I'm probably gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the weekend with me. Sundays are usually just my days to get my life back together. Like, I have to do laundry, I have to put away all the stuff in my suitcase from Toronto, which I still haven't unpacked. And yeah, just kind of prep for the week. See, in theory, it would have been cute to like end this video off outside, but it's just way too loud for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It's just a casual video. I think I'm just gonna try to vlog more so that I could upload like multiple vlogs in a week instead of like holding off for one entire week. So let me know how you guys like that. It just means more content for y'all, more casual content, and you get to see what I actually do on a day-to-day basis. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Be sure to check out the new Biossance Dark Spot Serum. I think you guys will really enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. As I mentioned in every video, we are hitting big goals this year, on the road to 500K, 500,000 in my 10th year on YouTube. So that would be wonderful. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.